How to use Google Sheets. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll guide you through using Google Sheets, a powerful tool for creating and managing spreadsheets online. Let's dive in. So first of all, open your web browser and go to sheets.google.com. Sign in with your Google account or create one if you don't already have one. Once signed in, click on the blank spreadsheet icon. Alternatively, you can also choose from various templates for budgeting, schedules, and even more. Click on any cell to start typing your data. Use the tab key to move from next cell to the right or enter to move down. Highlight the cells you want to format. You can use the toolbar to change the font, size, color, and cell background. You can experiment with these cells however you'd like to create the table of your dreams. Type an equal sign in a cell to start a formula. Use basic functions like sum, average, and count by typing them in, selecting from the toolbar's function list. You can highlight the data you want to visualize by clicking on Insert in the menu, then selecting Charts. You can also add tables, pivot tables, images, and drawings. Functions, you can also use links to hyperlink a website or an internet link with one of these cells right here. You can highlight the cells you want to apply conditional formatting to by clicking on Format in the menu, then Conditional Formatting. Set your rules and styles to automatically format cells based on their values. You can download Google Sheets app from the App Store so you can use it on your mobile. And that's all for now. You're now ready to use Google Sheets effectively. If this tutorial was helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.